Hello friends, whenever you install new Windows or purchase a new PC, one question arises: which app should I install first? Most of us download and install our preferred browser first, go to different sites, and then download and install essential apps or software one by one. This is time-consuming, and many times we don't also remember basic apps until we need them. Now today in this video I am going to show you guys a trick in which we will create an installer for all basic apps like Google Chrome or Firefox browser, compression apps like 7-zip or WinRAR, messaging apps, media apps, runtime apps, imaging and others. Now through this installer, we will be able to install all essential apps at once. You don't need to go through the hassle of downloading and installing individual apps. With the help of this installer, you will be able to install all the needed apps or software with one click. For this, we will go to a wonderful website ninite.com, link in the description below. As the website states, install and update all your programs at once, and they also state all the apps are up to date, so you don't have to worry. Now step 1 is to pick the apps you want. There are 13 categories and around 100 apps or software to choose from. Like first thing we install is our preferred browser like Chrome, Opera or Firefox, else updated version of Edge. Then file sharing BitTorrent. For compression 7-zip, pzip, or WinRAR. For messaging Zoom, Discord, Skype etc. choose what you want. When you are done choosing the apps you want, next or second step is to download and run your custom installer updater. Click on Get Your Ninite. Then it will download the installer. Now run the installer in the system you want the apps to be installed. You can take this installer to a different system also. But the system must be connected to the internet. Now when you run the installer, it will run the setup and then download and install the selected program automatically. Now this may take some time. Now also if you click on show details, it will show the apps already installed and which one is currently installing and which one is waiting to be installed. Now this will take time depending on the size of the app. Hope this will be helpful to you when you format or get a new system. Consider subscribing to my channel for more info like this.